Gamo Whisper, 975 feet per second, single pellet at a time, suppressed, AK silenced, with the one-eyed bandit at the trigger. We're gonna go for hot glass. This thing is quite accurate. Good for everyone at every skill level. Dead-eyed duck. We're looking at a Corona bottle, 20 yards out. Dead-eyed duck is in the house. That's the power of the Raptor Whisper, 975 feet per second.
I did it.
So, do you like your new gun?
Yep. I'm gonna go buy one. The Raptor Whisper. Shh. 975 velocity.
Feet per second.
I don't know, I just read it.
There it is,
It is
folks.
fun though.
Yeah, get yours today.
I just need